Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Shule and I share my home decor, my DIY projects, my love of art and home organization in this channel, and I hope you can join me by subscribing to my channel. In today's video, I'm participating in Arlynn's Craft Corners 2018 Christmas home tour, and I hope you enjoy. I have been bitten by glitter bug this year and had beautiful sparkly mixture, and I used it in many items, and that DIY video will be uploaded soon. So I used it in this bauble as well as this Christmas tree. If you've been with me for a while, you are familiar with this room. It's downstairs cloakroom slash guest toilet, and I made this artwork in my favorite colors and matched everything around it. In my narrow entryway, this is the only surface that I can decorate, and this diffuser from House of Fraser was very expensive and I've been using since September, and it's very long lasting and smells heavenly jasmine. It's worth every penny in my opinion. I covered the living room in my previous home tour video, so I will start with the kitchen and show you beautiful cozy night version first. My coffee corner was covered in detail on a separate video, but I still tweaked it a bit since then, and I will link that video below for you to watch. love this corner and always make an attractive vignette to look at when I'm in the kitchen. This will be covered in detail on a separate kitchen vignette video on Saturday, so watch out for that video. I made this DIY, this joy sign art, and I have a separate video for it, and I will link it down in the description box below. But it turned out beautiful and it's perfect match for my kitchen. I bought this sign, mirrored sign from BM store, and used command strips to stuck it on this unused mirrored frame from HomeSense. And the diffuser gives out a beautiful orange and cinnamon aroma, perfect for the festive season. And in this corner I have my breakfast bar where I display my muesli in these beautiful jars from a shop in Turkey. I was so happy when I finally find something in silver without any red tea towels for the festive season in HomeSense. Since I covered the living room before, I will go now quiet for you to enjoy the room, but I tweaked few things. I'm sure you will notice if you watch the previous video. hope you enjoyed the video and found it inspirational. If you did, please subscribe to my channel so I can continue to inspire you more. And until next time, bye bye. Thank you, Arlynn, for hosting this beautiful challenge. I really enjoyed participating.